Hello, in today's video we're doing a tutorial on how to style this beautiful Sego Gele on my model. So don't go, wait and watch the very end. I'm using my Gele. This is Sego Gele. Taking our pleats. Since this is longer than this size, I'm taking my pleats. After taking our pleats, arrange it very well. So after bringing to the front, the longer part to the front, we're going to start taking our pleats. Please watch me very closely. Start pleating my pleat as fan. Now can you see the way I'm doing it? I'm picking my fan pleat to the other side. Then after pleating this side, I told my model to hold it for me. Then take the shorter hand of the other side. I didn't pleat it, I only crossed it. I can actually pleat it or just play around it. I only crossed it and make a knot at the side. So there's a knot at the side of the gele, but the other longer part has a fan a fan style. So that's what I did. Make sure you secure your gele well, make it tight enough. Then after that, I pin into the back with my pin. Then I adjusted the front part. Just watch me very closely as I did. It's well detailed. If you're attentive, you're going to learn. Even though you're a beginner, you could be able to learn one or two things from here. The next thing to do after knotting it by the side is to pin down the edge of the fan side, the longer part of the gele. I pin it to the back, then arrange my pleats. Keep arranging, making sure it looks very neat. A neat job is what we are doing right here, making sure it's very neat. I arrange, trust me, Jordan will always arrange. It's okay now, it's okay. No, she'll keep arranging until it comes so very nice. Yeah, so that's Jordan for you. So after arranging that part, I come to the other part, the shorter part of the gele. I pleated it again because I didn't pleat it before knotting it. Then I came here to pleat it, making sure it's come out so nice. I pinned it out to the longer part of the gele, giving it a very unique look. After pinning it down, I arranged it so well, looking so nice. Trust me, the gele came out so beautiful. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please do that right now. Support your baby girl. A huge shout out to all Joy Idowu fans. We are 1000 subscriber plus stronger. Yes, thank you guys for supporting, for subscribing, and for watching my videos. Yes, expecting more of me. Yeah, expecting more of me. Can you see how the gele came out so beautiful? Oh my god, my model is so gorgeous. Then I came back to arrange the pleats. If your model or your client's hair is neat, you can open it down, wrap it up. But if it's not neat, you can actually cover it up with the back gele, and with your pin, hold it down, arrange it, make sure it's looking very neat at the back. Neat job. Trust Jordan, she will always come back to adjust and to adjust. That's Jordan for you. Yes, see how it came very beautiful. Arrange it again, arrange till I'm okay with what I'm saying. I trust you learned one or two things. Drop your comment in the comment section if you have any style you want me to style. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your loved ones. Bye.